Hello, welcome to Spotlight Carolina. I'm Tiffany Irvin. Joining me today from Sheppard Insurance is Sarah Pacifica and Gigi Sinclair. Thanks so much for being here today, ladies.
Thanks for having us.
Yeah. Now, Sarah, you and I have talked about a lot of different topics when it comes to insurance, but today we're focusing on life insurance.
That's right, yeah. So when you think about insurance, usually health insurance, home insurance, auto, those are the kind of things that come to mind. But while we can help you with those, what you may not realize is we can also help with life and disability insurance. And it's a new year, people are making resolutions, making financial decisions for the new year. And so it's a good time to review your coverage, make sure it's still sufficient, or purchase new coverage, especially if 2012 brought new things in your life like a baby, or a new house, or getting married, things like that.
Absolutely. Now, Gigi, you actually purchased life insurance from Sheppard. Tell us a little bit about your experience.
Actually, we've purchased both life and disability. I met Sarah right around the time my husband and I adopted our little girl, and so it was already on our mind that we needed to increase our life insurance policy. And so we met. She asked if she could give us a quote on that, and came out to our house one evening while we were cooking dinner. She sat at the table. We asked the questions we needed to ask. Next day, had a quote. Within a week, I believe it was, we had a nurse at our house. We live a little bit out in the country, so that was very convenient. And everything was underway within 2 or 3 weeks, I think.
Yeah.
And the same with disability. We're in the process right now of, my husband's in a risky occupation, so we are going forward with the disability as well.
And you feel like even at your young age, because you have a family, that's something you have to think about for the future.
Definitely. She's only 5, and so anything could happen, and we just want to be covered if it does.
Absolutely. And you can help people with all ages and all lifestyles, really.
Oh yeah, absolutely. I mean, we strive to make this process convenient for everyone, no matter what your lifestyle is, no matter how much time you have to do this. And more importantly, we strive to look for what your needs are to find the coverage, not the other way around. So if it's term, if it's whole life, if it's universal life, whatever it is, we want to help you find the best coverage for you and your family, because we have seen that this can really help families at the worst of times. Just be a small thing to help families at the worst of times.
So how do they get in touch with you if they're watching today and they would like more information?
Yeah, absolutely. You can visit our website, shepherdinsuranceGroup.com, or you can call me or my mom, Kathy, our president and owner, at 828-627-2826. We can both help with that.
It's a great information, especially at this time of year, as you mentioned.
Yes.
It's time to start planning for the future. Ladies,
Absolutely.
Thanks so much for being
Thank
here
you.
today.
Thanks for having us.
Thank you for joining us again today as well for another edition of Spotlight Carolina. I'm your host, Tiffany Irvin, and we'll see you again next time.